Hi, Namaste all. Welcome to my channel Excel Max and Board. Today we will see Applied Mathematics CBSE Grade 12 Alligation and Mixture. As such, modular arithmetic has been already taken and video has been uploaded in this channel. Now we will move on to Alligation and Mixture. So in this we will see only this type basically. In this video we will see basically on mixing of two ingredients how to get the ratio, or if the ratio is given how to check the price, so vice versa. Okay, so let us move on to the sum. While doing the sum, the formula will be explained. In what ratio should a shopkeeper mix two types of rice, one costing rupees 20 per kg, one costing rupees 20 per kg and another costing rupees 10 per kg, so that he gets a rice variety costing rupees 14 per kg. So that is what is given. So in what ratio? I should find the ratio. How to find the ratio? The formula is quantity of the cheaper type divided by quantity of the higher value, dearer type. That is why we say quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer. The formula is given by dearer price minus mean price divided by mean price minus the cheaper price. So here let us fix what is the dearer price, mean price and the cheaper price. Here the costly variety is rupees 20 and the cheaper variety is rupees 14, and when it is getting mixed the mean price is rupees 14. This is what the question information given us. So if I substitute here, I get it as 20 minus 14 d minus m by m is 14. Cheaper price is 10 rupees. Cheaper price is 10 rupees. So we'll move on to cheaper price is 10 rupees. So it is minus 10. So I get it as 20 minus 14 is 6 by 4, and the ratio in the simplest form is 3 by 2. That is what I have written here, quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer. So the cheaper quantity must be mixed in part 3 parts, means then the dearer quantity must be mixed with 2 parts. That is 10 kg rice to be mixed. If 3 kg of 10 kg rice is taken, then 2 kg of 20 rupees rice to be mixed, so that you get this mean price. Is it clear? So you should mention here what is cheaper and dearer, so that you will get the ratio easily. So make use of this formula. Make use of this formula. This is the formula on mixing of two varieties. Either the ratio is given, you will have to find the price, or price is given, you will have to find the ratio. Vice versa. In either case it can be used. Now let me move on to the second sum. A merchant lent out rupees 10,000 in two parts. So he is lending out 10,000 rupees in two parts, one at 8%, one at 10%. The yearly average outcome, mean outcome is 9.2. Find the amount lent in two parts. How he is dividing this 10,000 rupees? Okay. So again, what is the formula? Quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer is D minus M by M minus C. So what is D here? That is the costly is lending out is 10 and the cheaper is lending out is 8. On an aggregate he gets 9.2. This is what is arrived at. So if I substitute here, it is D minus M by M minus C. Just substitute as per the formula. So it becomes 10 minus 9.2 is 0.8 divided by 9.2 minus 8 is 1.2, which is 2 is to 3. If I simplify, the ratio is 2 is to 3, means so 10,000 rupees into 2 by 5, because total part is 5 only, na? So this becomes rupees 4,000. Rupees 4,000. I say quantity of cheaper is 2 part. So this 4,000 rupees he will lend this 4,000 rupees will be lent at 8% interest. Will be lent at 8% interest. Do you understand? And 10,000 is the total rupees. So 10,000 minus 4,000. So rupees 6,000 will be lent at the rate of 10% interest. So again make use of the formula quantity of cheaper minus quantity of dearer. Again you should be able to know what is dearer, cheaper and M value. That is all. Now let us move on to this third sum. Pure milk costs 72 rupees per liter and a milkman adds water to 25 liters of pure milk and sells the mixture at rupees 60 per liter. So cost price of the pure milk is 72. After adding water, he sells at 60 rupees. How many liters of milk water should he add? So it is how many. So again, first let us find the ratio. Then we can find if it is 25 liters, how many liters of water to be added. So quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer is D minus M by M minus C. Here milk is costly, it is 72 rupees and the main price is 60 rupees. He is mixing two varieties, one is milk and the other one is water. And as of now, till now we are not paying much money for water, so it is taken as 0 rupees. Let us hope that day never comes where we pay money to get water. So it is D minus M. So it is 72 minus M is 60 by M minus C. So it is 12 by 60, which is 1 by 5. So what is this ratio? Quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer. Now this is given. So if I add 1 part of 1 liter of water, I should add 5 liters of milk. Now let us come back to the sum. So how much water should we add to 25 liters of pure milk? So 5 liters of milk he should add 1 liter. So for 25 liters he should add, so it is given 1 by 5 is equal to 25 by how much? So it is 5 into 5. It is like equivalent fraction. This is water and this is milk. So it is 5 liters. So for 25 liters of pure milk, he should add 5 liters of water. Is it clear? Again here mixing of two varieties. What two varieties you are mixing here? One is milk and the other one is water. And we'll move on to the next sum. Question number 4. In what ratio must a grocer mix two varieties of tea? One is costing rupees 16, the other one is costing rupees 65. By selling the mixture at 68 rupees, he gains. Okay. So in what ratio? Again the ratio is quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer is D minus M by M minus C. Now let us find what is D. D is the costly price and C is the cheaper price. And what is the price of the mean quantity of the mixture? It is not given. It is given that it is sold at 68 rupees 20 paisa. But normally this is the value of the cost price of the variety. We cannot take the selling price of the variety. It is the cost price of the variety. So you should find what is the. But here selling price is given and gain is also given. So what is the formula connecting selling price, gain and cost price? I can write cost price is equal to, or if you don't know this formula, you can write like this: selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So how to look at the cost price and the profit? So it is cost price plus profit is 10% of cost price. That is what is given. So I can find, so it is cost price, take it out. So it is 100. 1 plus 10 by 100 So it is cost price into 110 by 100. So that gives you the selling price. Now here the selling price is given as 68 rupees 20 paisa into 100 by 110 will give you the cost price, and we arrive at the cost price on simplification as 62 rupees. Now this is 110. Goes ulta, right? 110. So it is 62 rupees is the cost price. So always make sure that what M you write here is the cost price of the variety and not the selling price of the variety. Now M I have got it as 62. Now we can substitute. So it is 65 minus 62 by 62 minus 60, which is 3 is to 2. So cheaper variety, that is 60 rupees variety, he has to mix 3 kg, means 65 rupee variety he has to mix 2 kg, so that he can sell the mixture at 62 rupees and gain 10% profit. Is that clear? Again, what is this 3 is to 2? You should be very clear. It is cheaper quantity by dearer quantity. Now we'll move on to the next sum. In what ratio must water be mixed with milk to gain 20% by selling the mixture at the cost price? So here again gain is given as 20%. So I can write what is selling price. Just now we wrote it is cost price into 1 plus gain by 100, that is profit by 100. Okay, so let the selling price, we don't know what is the selling price. So selling price is cost price into gain is given as 20%. So it is 20 by 100. So I get X is equal to, it is 120 by 100. So cost price into 120 by 100. So which is equal to, so X is equal to cost price into 6 by 5, or I can write cost price is equal to 5 times X by 6. So this is what I have arrived at. This is the cost price of the mixture, which is the cost price of the mixture because it's selling at X rupees. Now quantity of cheaper by quantity of dearer is D minus M by M minus C. Now let us fix what is D, M and C. So D, dearer price is X rupees. M, water is mixed, so cheaper price is 0, and the mean price is 5x by 6. That is what is given as. So it is D minus M, X minus 5 by 6x by 5 by 6x minus 0. So I get it as 1 by 6x by 5 by 6x. So the ratio is 1 is to 5. That is, he has to mix water 1 liter means milk 5 liters he should add, so that he can gain 20%. Is that clear? So selling price is X rupees. So what is cost price? Selling price of the mixture is only X rupees. So what is the cost price of the mixture? So we should be able to work out properly. Hope you have understood. The next video will move on to the next type of alligation and mixture. Thanks for watching. Bye.